Oh shit, sorry.
Got him. 2 down.
Yeah.
Yo, Mike.
Yeah?
Hold this arrow for now.
What?
Just hold this arrow.
Alright.
You got any more?
Not yet.
Oh, come up.
Alright. Alright, I'm here now. Fucking.
No, we're good.
Hold up.
Go, 2 hands. Let's go. I'm just gonna run by here. Ready?
Have fun.
Yeah, that's why they're shooting.
Just move to the next corner.
Ready?
No, go.
Stay on. You need to go to the next one.
Yeah, yeah. Who's over there? Who's there?
I think there's a guy right there.
Oh, okay. What?
Guy right there. Straight ahead. See the wheels, you gotta follow. Oh, hit.
Keep him away from it.
Oh shit.
Hey, Mike. Let's push up to that wall right there.
Alright.
I'll reverse.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, cover.
Wait, is that our guy in there? Yeah, it is. Wait, hold up, hold up. Oh, what are you doing looking this way? What are you doing looking this way?
I was looking across like that.
Oh, okay. Bang, 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 bang. Alright, we're both hit. Hold it.
Yeah, just keep pushing on that wall.
Alright, we got friendlies in the alley.
Here?
Yeah.
Got there. Here, let's do it.
This one?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Oh, they're gone. Oh, watch out. I think so, yeah. Yeah.
Okay? Nope.
Oh, he's dead. I'll cover this way. Yeah. All right. Guy in the building. Watch out, watch out. All right, you. We're good. We're no bands. No bands. No. Who's shooting me? Oh,
What's 1 3 here and cut that over.
oh. All right.
Are they right back? Which side are they pushing? Move it through.
All right. We're good so far. Is our flag up?
Yeah, we have it right
All right.
now. I just checked. I'm going low.
There's nobody there. Yeah, our flag is good.
I'll go low, you go high.
Yeah. You said I think I'll go low.
Up and down.
All right. My bad.
Right, fine. It's good.
All right. How much? Yeah, we got it.